What's up, guys? I am here back with a new video. Okay, so I'm going to show you all of my Nerf guns, and then I'm going to shoot them to see which one shoots the farthest outside. It's very cold outside. Let me feel. Whew, that's cold. We're all still. That's okay. Okay, I'm coming over here on my Nerf box. I literally made this yesterday. Like, yesterday. Okay, coming to my Nerf box, get my Mega. This one doesn't have any bullets in right there right now. I may make that for a future video. Oh, forgot about the door. Okay, now, let's keep... Elite Disruptor, and this I got for my work. Okay, let's go. Ooh. Oh, this feels cold, but I love it. Got two Nerf guns there so far. Gotta get those ones. Okay, guys. So I'm outside. Oh God, I'm outside. Okay, hey guys, I'm outside. I got the Nerf guns that I'm gonna do. Is this one? I got my Nerf guns that I'm gonna do. Okay. Wow. Okay. Come on. Face the camera. Okay. There we go. So I'm going to do one at a time. Okay. This one's going to be hard. Cause I gotta hold the camera off. Oh God. My shoes. They're getting buried. Okay. Okay, guys. Let's do this. Okay. Let me just put the phone down. No, let me just... Okay, I'm gonna shoot it. Okay, guys, that's pretty full. Let's go. What here? Not so bad. Wait, let me... What the? Not so bad, not so bad, not so bad. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, there you go. Okay, now you got... No, that one. That one went pretty far. Let's take her back over here. Get that right there. Oh, guys, I do not think you should come outside. It's literally freezing. And I'm barely dressed for this coldness. Okay, guys, let me shoot this one. I'm actually... okay. I'm about to shoot this. Whoa. Guys, okay, come on, face it. Come on, face it. Okay, I don't know where that one went. Gosh, this is... guys, I think I may have lost a bullet. Oh, God. Oh, man, that is cold. That is... Oh, my gosh. It is so cold out here, guys. I don't even have a hat on. I don't even have gloves on. It is freezing. Absolutely freezing. Okay, guys. Here we go. Here we go. I found it. Oh, gosh. Dude, this is so cool. Oh. I don't even know where the last one went. Okay. I found it, and then I think like the Ninja Turtle gun okay. Oh, it went right there. Okay. So let's go over here. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. It is so cold out here, guys. It is so cold out here. Don't come outside. It is freezing. Okay. So, let's grab the Mega. Let's go. Let's go shoot this thing. Okay. Dang, dude. I forgot. It shoots 2 dots at once. We gotta go find those 2 dots. I think they went the farthest. Oh, of course. The Ninja Turtle one lost. Okay. The Mega Dots won. Okay, guys. I think this is a problem. Oh, God. I have to hurry up and find this. Oh, I think I'm gonna get frostbite, guys. It is so cold out here. Don't come out here without a jacket, a hat, or gloves. Guys, my ears are so cold. My ears are so cold. And I think, here it went. Okay, guys, the Mega one. Of course, the massive one won. Okay, guys. Oh, God. I am so cold out here, guys. Oh, gosh. I so think they have frostbite. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. My nostrils are so cold. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. Guys, oh my God. Guys, my goodness. Guys, dang, that was cold. That was so cold. That was so cold. Okay, guys. We gotta go inside. Oh, guys. That was so cold. That was so cold. Now I have to come back out here to freezing weather to put the Nerf darts in. Oh, gosh. Why is this so cold? Oh, gosh. Guys. That face it over. Oh, goodness. Guys. It's so cold. I have some technical difficulties. That's how cold it is. Remember, guys, do not come out here. Unless you have a jacket, a hat on, gloves, like snow boots, just go. It is so cold out there. Wait a minute. Okay, it is so cold out there, guys. It fogged up my glasses, so I gotta take them off. My shoes literally have frost on them, and that's horrible. So, come on, turn it back over. Okay, no. Come on. Turn it back over. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, put the bell on, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.